Wow, good impression. Clean. No, I lived in New York for a few months and I ran away because it was so bad. I don't see any rats. You go on the New York station, you gotta watch out where there's fecal matter, rat fecal matter, human fecal matter, human pee, and then rat.
Oh,
That has got to be the nicest train tour that I've ever seen in my life. 1,000,000% better than London. This is impressively empty. Oh, and the aircon
cantik.
is crisp. I am not lying.
Here is the train. On this train. There's no rubbish at all. There's no
Tidak ada sampah sama sekali.
guys hanging around or
Tidak ada jenis pria yang berkeliaran. Assalamualaikum dan salam persaudaraan guys. Oke, turis bule ini mau buktikan kereta Indonesia kumuh kayak di India. Tapi fakta di lapangan bikin dia shock berat. Yuk kita simak video ini guys.
Guys,
Benar-benar
bayangin ya,
merasa
ada
aman.
bule dari Amerika yang lagi traveling ke Indonesia. Awalnya dia udah bawa mindset negatif. Katanya, kereta api di Indo pasti kumuh, semraut dan kotor kayak yang sering dia lihat di India. Tapi, begitu
Halo.
sampai masuk stasiun dan lihat langsung kondisi kereta api Indonesia sekarang, langsung kaget. Parah! Bule ini shock berat karena ternyata semua bayangannya salah total. Yang dia lihat malah stasiun modern, bersih, rapi, dengan sistem transportasi yang benar-benar canggih, bahkan lebih keren dari yang pernah dia rasain di negaranya sendiri. Bule, ini benar-benar underestimate. Dia cerita kalau di kepalanya, kereta di Indonesia tuh udah kebayang kayak film lama, orang naik di atap penuh sesak dan gak ada aturan. Dia sampai rekam videonya buat buktiin ke teman-temannya.
Hello. Wow, thank you so much, Makasi. So we are currently stood in the first class cabin. Aircon in here is airconning.
first class smell.
So nice. That has got to be the nicest train tour that I've ever seen in my life. 1,000,000% better than London. This is impressively empty. Oh, and the aircon
Cantik
is
guys.
crisp. I am not lying. I'm not gassing it. This is 100%, not even 100%, 1,000,000% better than London.
Today I'm going to try the Jakarta Metro
Mantap.
for the first time.
MRT Jakarta.
So far everyone's super helpful. Normally we get in trouble filming in these sorts of places, but everyone just wants to tell us where to go, which is really good. But it is really hot. And the view up here is really nice as well. It's pretty cool. Let's jump on.
Maksudnya bersih lah,
See where
keren.
this takes us.
Saya pernah naik nih guys.
Look, I know I've already
MRT nih.
carried on about this already, but
Di Indonesia ini memang waduh, keren guys. Bersih, baru.
Actually, Jakarta is a very walkable city. The public transport makes it also really good. You get around pretty fast and pretty convenient, and also very cheap. And now we're going to this bus station. So the bus system is called Trans Jakarta. It like connects the whole city. Thank you very much. So this is the bus stop you see in the middle of the road, and I think
Nyaman,
this is
ya.
our direction. So
Nah ini dia punya bus gratis nih.
But the bus, I think, is also fully electric. So you hear this?
Sepenuhnya listrik.
Nice. The AC.
Bagus.
Really convenient way to get around the city. The bus has its own lane, so we can drive full speed. Where the cars are all like on this side and like the traffic jam. The bus can drive go. Really cool. Check out how public
Mantap
transport
kan.
is here. Wow, good impression. Clean. No, I lived in New York for a
Bersih.
few months and I ran away.
Hmm.
It was so bad. No freaking way. This is pretty freaking amazing.
Sangat luar
Check it
biasa
out.
ya.
I don't see any
Wow.
rats.
Tidak melihat tikus.
You go on the New York station, you gotta watch out where.
Kalau di
there's
New York
fecal
Station,
matter,
Anda harus
rat
berhati-hati
fecal
di mana
matter,
ada
human
kotoran
fecal matter,
tikus,
human pee,
kotoran
and
manusia.
rats.
Wow, ini kalau di New York ya.
Doesn't smell like pretty clean. Nobody, no homeless people, no smelly people.
Oh, semua wangi-wangi lah.
I just witnessed something amazing, and it's part of Indonesian culture. This young man was sitting here. As soon as the lady came, he got up for her. He let her sit. Wow, Indonesian culture.
Oh, budaya Indonesia itu kan memberi duduk.
I'd rate this like a 9 out of 10.
Penilaian 9/10 guys.
The stairs are fine. You see the ground. Okay. I think we got it. New York subway, Chicago subway sucks compared to this.
What do you think is the best transportation in this country?
I like yesterday the what is it, MRT?
Yeah.
Car L
MRT,
LRT.
KR,
commuter
LRT,
commuter line. Yeah, the train.
Commuter.
The train on the Jakarta network. Pretty nice. Yeah, not too cold, not too hot inside. It was clean. I tried the bus as well. It's nice to see the securities. They look around you. They help you as well.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. I think it
Wow.
can save you a lot of time
Mantap,
here as well,
eh.
especially in the traffic of Jakarta.
Tell me more about the train because I haven't had that experience. I haven't done the Jakarta Bandung.
From Bandung to Jakarta, had panorama train, and the windows were so huge, and you had even you had a panorama roof as well. Not totally a glass roof, but pretty much of a glass as well, and you had also a nice view.
Well, I mean, yesterday I read that the Bandung to Jakarta high speed is officially ready. They've done the speed tests.
Yeah.
It's going at like 300 kilometers an hour. I don't know, something super speed. 50,
That's 40 minutes.
I don't know. 30, 40 minutes or
30,
something.
40 minutes.
It's crazy, yeah.
Oh,
Hello, to the national
Okey lagi.
monument. Yeah. And here is the train. Wow, it is absolutely immaculate on this train. There's no rubbish at all. There's no
tidak ada sampah sama sekali ya.
creepy guys hanging around or feel completely safe. Anyway, first
Merasa
impression
benar-benar aman.
of Jakarta. It's pretty good. Like over here. If this was the UK, there'd be a dude laid out on here, or he'd probably be living there. This would be his little house. He'd just
Oh,
be
yeah?
laid out on here. I guess I'll just lay here, wait for the next train.
Dia yang baring ya.
Tahu nggak kalian kalau kereta api di Indonesia lebih bersih dibandingkan kereta api Jerman? Di Jerman kami
Aduh.
diperbolehkan makan dan minum di dalam kereta.
Alamak.
Makanya kereta api di sini sering kali kotor atau ada sampahnya. Di
Aduh.
Indonesia ada security-nya di setiap kereta. Di Jerman security-nya hanya muncul sesekali. Selain kotor, kereta api di Jerman juga penuh tunawisma atau pecandu
Aduh.
narkoba. Kereta api di Indonesia
Bahaya
termasuk
pula di
jenis
sana.
transportasi yang paling bisa diandalkan. Sedangkan di Jerman, kereta apinya sering datang terlambat atau bermasalah. Di Jerman setidaknya hampir selalu tenang dan tidak berisik. Kalau di Indonesia bagaimana guys? Jadi kalau kereta api di Indonesia bisa bersih, kenapa di lingkungan lain nggak bisa? Silakan komen di bawah.
Setelah duduk di dalam kereta, dia makin kagum. Jalan mulus, gak goyang parah, aman dan tenang. Dia bilang, naik kereta di Indonesia bikin hati adem. Bahkan, dia bandingkan dengan pengalamannya di India yang bikin stres. Sementara
Waduh.
di Indonesia justru
India.
merasa santai dan nyaman. Dia akhirnya ngakui kalau Indonesia udah jauh melampaui. Bayangannya, bule ini terus ngakak campur kagum sambil bilang kalau orang luar udah waktunya berhenti meremehkan transportasi Indonesia. Dari yang awalnya mau cari kekurangan, malah pulang bawa cerita ke semua temen kalau kereta api Indo udah level dunia.
Oke guys, awalnya ia datang dengan niat meremehkan. Di pikirannya kereta di Indonesia ini pasti kumuh, kotor dan tidak terurus. Tapi tak ada bedanya dengan bayangan buruk yang ia dengar dari cerita orang lain. Tetapi begitu melangkah masuk, ia langsung terdiam. Kursinya rapi, pendingin udaranya sejuk, toiletnya bersih, bahkan pelayanan petugasnya membuat ia merasa dihargai. Bukan itu saja, sepanjang perjalanan mereka melihat penumpang saling berbagi tempat duduk ya, saling senyum dan suasana yang nyaman seakan sedang di rumah mereka sendiri. Fakta ini dilihat dengan matanya sendiri guys ya, benar-benar menghancurkan semua prasangka yang ada dalam hatinya. Dan mereka tidak lagi melihat kumuh. Yang mereka lihat justru Indonesia yang berubah, maju dan membanggakan. Dan momen itu ia sadar bahwa meremehkan Indonesia adalah kesalahan sangat besar. Karena Indonesia itu bukan hanya sekadar mengejar ketertinggalan, tetapi sudah meleset jauh meninggalkan stigma yang lama. Indonesia, kamu tidak butuh pengakuan untuk jadi hebat, karena faktanya dunia sendiri akhirnya yang bersaksi dan mengakui kehebatan itu. Saya pernah menaiki kereta cepat Jakarta-Bandung. Itu sangat bersih, sangat nyaman, sangat wangi di dalamnya dan sangat laju. Begitu juga dengan MRT. Saya pernah mencoba MRT di Indonesia, itu memang sangat bersih guys, terjaga dan ada security di situ. Jadi dari segi keselamatan itu sangat safety sekali. Dan begitu juga lah warga bule tadi kan, yang pada awalnya mereka menyangka Jakarta ini seperti biasa, tetapi sangat luar biasa bagi mereka. Oke guys, mungkin itu saja video pada kali ini. Jika kalian punya pandangan pendapat sendiri, kalian boleh komentar di ruang kolom di bawah. Sampai kita jumpa lagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.